Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I'll show you how you can download the instructor resources from the web page of the title that you're using. So make sure you go to Pearson Higher Education. So you can Google it, Yahoo it, Bing it, but put in Pearson Higher Ed. And then once you get there, you can use the search bar, which I suggest using the ISBN. That's the quickest way, but you can search by title and author. Once you get to the content or the title that you're using in your course, just scroll down to the Download Instructor Resources. It'll bring you to the resources that are downloadable. Once you find the item that you want, you'll click on it, and that will bring you to the sign-in page. On the sign-in page, you'll enter in your username for your Pearson information. So if you're a MyLab user, a Revel user, or use any of our other technology mastering and so forth, you'll use that same sign-in and password that you use as an instructor currently. Once you sign in, you'll click the Accept and Proceed. And then the item will download onto your computer. So it's important to understand where exactly your download files are located, and they typically will download as a zip file, which means you won't be able to access them immediately. You'll need to go to that download folder and then unzip them. Once you unzip them, then they'll be available for you to use for your purposes. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.